Hello, and thanks for dropping into Cleaning Doctor, the home of professional external cleaning, sealing and maintenance services for homes and businesses across Clare and Tipperary. My name is Conor McGurk and I offer you local and trusted external cleaning services that are backed up with a rock solid satisfaction guarantee. I'm an expert in my industry and you can employ me with total confidence knowing that I'm fully trained and insured to clean and restore your property safely and effectively. At Cleaning Doctor, the standard of service that we offer can only be delivered with the use of our state-of-the-art equipment and premium products. Cleaning Doctor's comprehensive range of services and techniques means I can clean and restore your driveways, patios, roofs and gutters, indeed the entire outside of your property, leaving it looking as good as new. Look at the properties in your area and you'll see red, black, green staining on the walls. This is usually algae, which is not only unsightly but difficult to remove without specialist equipment and techniques. I specialise in the removal of this unsightly pest. This can prevent customers from having to repaint their properties, as once the algae is removed, surfaces are usually restored to as good as new. Once cleaned, I can seal all types of surfaces around your home or business. SmartSeal sealers provide longer lasting protection for surfaces such as walls, block paving, imprinted concrete, tarmac, paving slabs, natural stone and even roofs. These sealers prevent the regrowth of unsightly moss, algae and lichens around your property. My professional standard service can restore your beloved property to as good as new and at a fraction of the cost of buying new. All my work comes with a satisfaction guarantee. You can rest assured that the job will be done properly by an expert. In many cases, customers are absolutely gobsmacked at the results that we can deliver. Let me prove it to you. Check out the photo and video gallery on my website and see some of the amazing before and after results achieved by Cleaning Doctor.